to walk you through on how to make this grid for your garden. These are my balcony garden grids, and they're super simple to make. So here is what they look like once they're all done. I did this. So we're going to first measure out the bed. You're going to measure out the sides, and mine's an equal. We divided ours into 3. So we're just going to mark those 3 spots off, and we're going to do that all around the bed. So we have 1, 2, 3. And that's where you're also going to place your nails. And we're going to do that on each and every side. Once that's done, once you're done marking, you're going to take some nails and you're going to put those nails in that place. You're going to hammer the nails, not nail. And you're going to do that around the whole entire bed until it is complete. This is what your twine or your rope is going to hold on to make your grid. So we're going to do that all over. This is a time lapse of him doing it, and then I did the other bed. Then we're going to take our rope, and we're going to make a little knot on the end. This is going to hold the rope in place on that one end, and then we're going to go around and attach it to the other side. You want to make squares. You're going to go back and forth like he's doing. And it should look something like this to start off. And then you're going to tie that one end off. You're going to go around it twice and tie it off. And cut it off. So that is the first part of our gridding. Next, we're going to do the same thing, but going diagonally, so in the opposite direction. And then we're going to go in the opposite direction. Same exact technique. You're just going to make your little loop, and you're going to go across and make your box, making sure to wrap your twine or rope around both nails, and then you're going to go across and do the same exact thing, making sure to keep it taut so that the box and grid comes out really nicely. And once that's done, you're going to tie this off, and again, you're going to cut. And that is how we created our grid for our beds. Super simple. And that is what the grid looks like. And that's how much space we have in between the grid and